Good Vibes Experiment is a student-led Flinders University campaign that encourages all of us to experiment with adding wellbeing-focused activities to our everyday lives. It isn't about pretending to be happy. It's about developing the knowledge and skills necessary to improve, sustain, or begin to repair and strengthen our mental health. The campaign activities are based on a core set of 20 evidence-based wellbeing tactics you can experiment with. The activities are like taste testers. If you like one, then you can keep experimenting with it. If you don't like one, that's okay too. The point is to give it a go. We've made an activity book for you to explore, and if you want to learn more, we have a range of workshops coming out, both online and in person. There's more than one way to improve your mental health, so we've made a stack for you to try. Visit the website to learn more.